Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for January 1 to 15, 2025. Ayan, Happy New Year! Kumusta ang inyong New Year celebration? So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo nila information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel, like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, and thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It helps our channel to grow. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see Gemini. Energy update, January 1 to 15. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, money, career, health, and your love life. So, kuha tayo ng iba pang mga cards. Kunin na natin kasi para hindi na tayo shuffle ng shuffle. Anyway, habang nagsha-shuffle ako, kumusta ang inyong New Year celebration? Sa ibang lugar, maulan. Sa amin, maulan siya. Umuulan. Tapos medyo late na. Magto-12 na nung nawalan, tumigil yung ulan. So, ang tagal nilang nagpaputok. Anyway, let's see for you, Gemini. So, set aside lang natin tong ibang cards. And let's begin. So for your overall energy, Gemini, is the Knight of Cups. So you're focused on yourself, taking care of yourself, your loved ones. Very compassionate ang energy na to. Someone who knows how to share their love for others. I also see you na thinking about yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. You want to keep it na parang magstay sa'yo yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. I think you're also becoming more focused on your dreams, your goals ngayong first half ng January. Some of you, if you're single, possible na merong opportunity for a new relationship. So if you are kung ikaw naman ay in a relationship, pwedeng mas lalo mong papalakasin ang connection mo with your romantic partner. So, your challenge is the King of Pentacles. Kung meron kang business or you are self-employed, pwede magkaroon ka ng challenge pagdating sa mga plano mo for your business or for your projects. If you are meron kang position sa trabaho, like managerial position, so you might have this pressure na ibibigay sa iyo ng administration or ng company ninyo. So it's time for you to manage your time, your energy, and maaring iniisip mo rin kung worth it ba yung situation mo ngayon sa trabaho, sa career path mo. Kung worth it ba yung effort doon sa kung worth it ba yung kinikita mo sa efforts na binibigay mo. Okay. So, your opportunity is the Six of Cups. So, maaring meron kang babalikan na dating career path or trabaho or situation na gusto mong ayusin. You want to work it out. So, yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, pwedeng sa relationship, meron kang babalikan na person na sa tingin mo pwede pa siyang ayusin or bigyan ng chance to make things work for the both of you. And then your blessing is the Eight of Pentacles. I think you're going to be very busy ngayong first half ng January. Maraming trabaho. maraming kailangang asikasuhin. And if may business ka, maraming work, like maraming orders, maraming clients, maraming work. So this is going to bring in more money sa'yo. Mas maraming kaperahan. Oo. Some of you may master din kayo na craft or a skill set that will bring in more money. So, speaking of money, this is your energy, the sun, o, diba? This is happiness, contentment. So, with regards to your finances, ngayong January, masaya kayo, no? For most of you, maaring may mga target kayo na hit ninyo. You were able to hit the targets pagdating sa finances ninyo. Maaring yung iba gusto nyo mag-invest. Dahil lalo na kung meron na kayong mga naipon, so yung savings ninyo, you want na mas mag-grow pa yon and you want to invest. And then for your career, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing for your career. Pwedeng, ano kasi to energy shift. So, like what I mentioned kanina, maaring isa sa pinag-iisipan mo ngayon is kung masaya ka ba sa trabaho mo, sa career path mo, or you want to make some changes. So, I think may pagkakataon ka na may baguhin dyan. Maaring ina-align mo yung sarili mo sa iyong destiny, sa life's purpose mo. Maaring iba sa inyo na-realize nyo na ano yung purpose ninyo, saan kayo mas magiging masaya, mas magiging functional sa career ninyo. And then for your health, you have the Page of Swords. This is about being curious, no? Maaring meron kayong gustong alamin. Yung iba sa inyo, kapag may nararamdaman kayo sa kalusugan ninyo, ginugoogle nyo lang. Anong tinatawag dyan? Self-diagnostic. I don't know. Parang ganon. Nagsa-self-diagnose. So, iwasan nyo yung pagsa-self-diagnose, although, minsan, talagang naman siya, nakakatulong. But, for mga serious na situation, much better na magkonsulta kayo sa expert. And, of course, hindi lang sa isa, pwede ring second opinion, lalo na kung medyo seryoso yung condition. But I think, iba sa inyo, mas nagre-research kayo about kung paano nyo mas mapapaganda ang kalusugan ninyo. And then your love life is the Ten of Pentacles. So, sa love life, you are provided, no? Well provided ka sa family, or ikaw yung provider sa family. And I see happiness here within your relationships or connections with others. Maaring iba sa inyo magkakasama kayo sa isang negosyo or affair sa family na you are both working with your loved ones. Best possible decision. Ayan. So, may kailangan ka talagang pagdesisyonan ngayong first half ng January. So, you will receive or you will do or make the best possible decision. You also have energy. Marami kang energy ngayon. I think mostly to create money. Mas marami kang energy. You also have healing. So, this is healing from your past. So, kaya siguro may opportunity ka rito na ayusin or i-work out ang situation or relationship sa past. You have the Skull. Hidden secrets can harm you. So, maaari ring may revelation dito ng mga secrets. Secrets can be in any part of your life. Pwedeng this is related sa isang lalaki. Dealings or relationship with a man, blonde hair, gray hair, white hair. So, this can be a foreigner na person or let's say a parent, tatay na kasi puti na yung buhok, ganyan, an older man. But for most of you, this is about a foreign dealings with someone. So someone will try to make you or do something against your will. Oh, mag-ingat, Gemini, kasi maaring merong person na pipilitin ka na gawin ng isang bagay na hindi mo naman gustong gawin. Work, achievement, and success. So definitely, yung effort, yung sacrifices na binibigay mo for your work, for your career, ay magiging successful. Control your anger or you will be sorry. So, I think ito ang isa rin sa kailangan mong ayusin. Yung anger, yung galit, no? Na control mo lang yung nararamdaman mo kasi baka meron kang magawa na pagsisisihan mo lang or masabi. Leader of light, where are you being called to serve and support others? So for some of you, you are a light worker, healer, meron kayong spiritual gifts that can help others in any shape or way or form. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.